Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video, I'm going to show how you can run Adobe Flash Player in your Android and how you can open any SWF file in your Android. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. In this video, I'm going to show how you can run Adobe Flash Player in your Android using Exagear Windows Emulator. Basically, Adobe Flash Player is a software, PC software. In that software, you can view any animation video or you can play any game. So basically the Flash Player is the software you can view uh, anything, any file, especially the animation video or video game. You can also play video game in that. And Flash Player is also a plugin of the Chrome. In my upcoming video I try to show you how you can install and how you can use Adobe Flash Player. So this is the Adobe Flash Player portable. So in this software you can view any SWF file or you can play any SWF game. So let me just show you. So this is the file manager of my Android phone. I'm going to open it and this is the download folder. And as you can see, I have downloaded some SWF file in this, some of the videos and some of the games I have downloaded. So if you want to download, you have to just search on the internet, just type download SWF animation, or you can type download the game name and SWF. So you can view or you can play that game in the Flash Player. And as you can see, this is the Flash Player. I have downloaded and put it in the download folder. The downloading in the description, you can also download it, and I'm going to provide this setup file, the downloading in the description. And you have to download this SW file from the internet. I've already told you how to download. You have to just type the SW file, the file name or game name. You can uh, search it on the internet and you can download it. So I've downloaded some of the videos and some of the games. As you can see, it will be in the SWF folder, and as you can see, the Flash Player logo appear on this. So let me just show you. So this is the Exagear Windows Emulator application, the downloading the description. And in my previous video I've already shown how you can install all the software. As you can see, I've shown Adobe Audition. In that video I've already said that I'm going to show all the products of the Adobe. I'm going to show you. So this is the another product. In my previous video I've shown how you can install and run Adobe Photoshop and how you can install an Adobe Audition. And this is the Adobe of Flash Player. So you have to get it in the manage containers. You have to click on the run explorer. So it will going to landscape the phone. So as you can see, this is the desktop of the Exagear Windows Emulator application, and as you can see, this is the file manager, and now I can access all the internal files of my Android internal storage. And Exagear is the Windows emulator. You can run any Windows software or game in this application, Exagear application in Android. So as you can see in the screen, so this is the Flash Player 32. So I'm going to open it. So this is the portable, you did not require to install, and as you can see, this is the all the SWF file. So as you can see, this is the Flash Player opened here. So let me just show you. So this is the all the SWF files. Make sure it will be in the download folder, and as you can see, this is the SWF files, all the files, some of the games and some of the video. I'm going to open it. So if you want to open the SW file, you require the Adobe Flash Player. So as you can see, first of all I'm going to show you about this Adobe Flash Player. So as you can see, this is the 32 version, and as you can see, so this is the version. Now I'm going to show you how you can open any SWF file or how you can play any SWF game in the Adobe Flash Player. So after opening Adobe Flash Player, you have to click on the files, you have to click on the open. After clicking open, it will tell you to select the file. You have to just click on the browse, and as you can see, this is the some of the files I have all downloaded. I'm going to open all the things in this video. So I'm going to open the first one. I have downloaded some of the videos, animations and some of the games. So I'm going to open the first one and just click to OK. So as you can see, this is the game Crazy Monkey game in SWF format and opened in the Adobe Flash Player. In my upcoming video I try to show how you can play all the games in the Adobe Flash Player. So as you can see, you can hear the sound. The sound is working. So there are lot of games in SWF format you can play. It will only in some KBs. In my upcoming video, I try to show how you can play all the PC games in Android with using Exagear and Adobe Flash Player. So as you can see, the sound is perfectly synced with the Exagear and can clearly hear in my Android phone. So as you can see, this is the game I have opened here. The game is not playable with the touch. You require a keyboard to play this. You can connect a physical keyboard and you can play this game. So again, I'm going to open the another file. I have to check the game is perfectly working. So let me just close it. So I've closed the game. Now I'm going to open the another thing. First I have opened this add-in airline. So I'm going to open this second thing. I've downloaded some of the presentation videos. So as you can see, I have downloaded this cherry presentation video. So as you can see, this is the video I've downloaded from the internet. So I'm going to again close it and going to open the another one. Now I'm going to open this fireworks animation GIFs. So as you can see, this is the video SWF format animation open up here in the Adobe Flash Player. So as you can see, this is the another animation I have opened here. So as you can see, this is the Adobe Flash Player perfectly working in Android, as you can see, and all the SWF file are playable and opening in Android with using this Exagear and Adobe Flash Player software. In my upcoming video, I try to show how you can play any PC game in SWF format in Android with using Exagear and Flash Player. So as you can see, this is the Flash Player perfectly working and running in Android. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. Thank you.